Welcome back, dear children. We discussed in our previous class about our Earth. Once again, let us see what is this globe. Here, this is the model of our Earth. Okay, we all discussed in our previous class. Here, in this Earth, 3/4 is covered by water and 1/4 is land mass. The entire Earth we are observing on the globe. Already we discussed the Earth is a planet. On this Earth, including us, so many creatures are living. Small insects are living, and animals are also living. Water bodies are there, land mass is there, forest and mountains, plains. What are they? Mountains and plains, forest cover, and animals, water bodies, each and everything is there. Here, our Earth consists of three main layers: crust, mantle and core. Earth consists of three main layers. They are, one is the crust, and second one is the mantle, and third one is the core. In this, inner core and outer core, this is the internal structure of the earth. If we see the internal structure of the earth, there are three types of layers are there in the internal structure of the earth. One is the crust, second one mantle, third one core. In this core, inner core and outer core are there. Here, we are polluting our earth. Who is the main cause for polluting this earth? Our reckless exploitation. Reckless exploitation of forest. Here, day by day, population has been increasing. For the growth of this population, to overcome the needs of the people, some people are cutting the forest for making different kinds of purposes. We are cutting the forest, and we are establishing the industries, especially factories. In these factories, cement was producing and iron, as well as different kinds of industries were established here. After the establishment of these industries, from the jute industry and cotton industry from after the establishment of these industries are releasing the pollution. That is we call CO2, carbon dioxide they are releasing. After releasing this carbon dioxide, the ozone layer has been disturbing day by day. What's happening here? While the establishment of the factories, while we are cutting down of these forests, this is a human disaster, human made mistakes. For our convenience purpose, we are cutting these forests, we are converting these into different purpose. We are making the paper, we are making the wood pulp and each and everything we are getting from our forest. And we are establishing the industries. That's why economists are arguing and geographers are also arguing. We are digging here for water purpose deeper and deeper tube wells, and we are removing the coal, we are drilling the pits, open cast pits. While we are moving out all these minerals from our earth is the source for our minerals. All the people, for the desire to become a rich and rich persons in the entire world, we are recklessly digging, we are recklessly polluting our earth. That's why our economists are arguing, if we use recklessly our minerals, nothing will be left for our future generations. Even though we are unable to give a glass of water. Why? Because we are polluting. Population has been increasing day by day. For the fulfilling the needs of the people, every day the people are digging the deeper and deeper tube wells. Here, one more example I am going to tell you here. That is the plain areas and as well as the plateau regions. Let us take a small difference between Andhra region and Telangana region. Andhra region and Telangana region. Here, digging tube wells in Andhra region, it is less expensive to the farmers of Andhra region comparing with Telangana region people. Why? Because this Andhra region people, they are in plain region. We are Telangana region people, they are in plateau region. Especially our Telangana region people are in Deccan Plateau region. Here, if we want to fetch water, once upon a time, our people, they dig maximum 100 feet depth to fetch water. But everybody depending upon these wells and as well as tube wells for irrigating their lands. That's why what's happening? The water level has been drastically falling every year. Where we are digging in our earth only. While we are digging these deeper and deeper tube wells, the drastically water levels are falling. So we are unable to fetch water. That's why our economists as well as the environmentalists are also arguing that if we dig deeper and deeper tube wells and if we use these minerals recklessly, nothing will be left for our future generations, they are arguing. So here we are all observing day and nights and seasons are occurring. How these day and nights and seasons are occurring? What is the main reason for this? How these day and nights and seasons are occurring here? Because there was one thing already you know that since your childhood you are listening this word, this is the rotation and revolution. Already we discussed here, Earth is a planet. That's why in previous class we discussed, my very educated mother just showed us 9 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, like this. Here we are discussing about this Earth. Earth is a planet here. It is moving around itself. To move itself, it has been taking here 24 hours or 1 day. So while it is moving around itself, it is causing day and night. And as well as at the same speed, the earth is also moving in and around itself. And around the sun. It is moving. It's moving around itself. And as well as it is also moving around the sun. For moving itself, the earth is taking 24 hours or 1 day. So here we have taken here 24 time zones. 24 time zones. And as well as the earth is moving around itself and as well as around the sun. For moving the earth around the sun, it is taking here 365 1/4 days. So, in a leap year, February month contains 29 days. This leap year continues once in 4 years. Now try to listen here. Earth is a planet. We are all living on this earth, including small creatures. From small creatures to big animals, all are living on this earth. We are using this earth as our resource. From this earth we are getting the food and each and everything. We are all depending on our earth for our resources. Here I am using this blackboard. and I am using the chalk. Each and everything we are getting from our earth only. It's supplying for us minerals. Here, we are recklessly polluting our earth. We are cutting down our forests and we are establishing the industries. By establishing these industries, we are polluting. By this, what's happening here? Our crops have been polluted, water is contaminated, and as well as the weather, climate is also polluting here. That's why so many problems we are facing, or people are facing different kinds of problems. Here, we are going to see here already seasons and as well as day and nights are occurring. How these day and nights and seasons are happening here, if we see, the earth is moving in and around the sun. So, what's happening? Seasons are happening. For moving around the sun, the earth has been taking 365 days and 1/4 day, or 366 days or 1 year. That is called as 12 months. And for its rotation around the earth, for its one rotation, it has been taking 24 hours or 1 day. And if we see here, Copernicus, he propagated the sun-centered theory. Why? Because sun is at the center. Sun is at the center. And all other planets are moving around the sun. That's why he called this as the sun-centered theory. Here, we have to protect our earth. It's our responsibility. If we are unable to protect our earth, the environmentalists, that's why they are arguing. If we dig deeper and deeper tube wells, what happens? The water levels may be drastically fall down. Then what happens when the water levels have been drastically fall down? Expenditure will be increases. What purpose? Expenditure increases. To dig a deeper and deeper tube well, the farmer's expenditure will be increases. And as well as electricity will be, expenditure also increases. It is a burden on whom? On common people. And the small farmers, they were unable to dig deeper and deeper tube wells. If they wanted to dig deeper and deeper tube wells, by expensing huge money, the banks will not give the loans to these farmers. From where, what source they will get? They have to approach the money lenders or the middlemen. Maybe they will get the loan from the middlemen or as well as the money lenders in the village. While they are going to repay back that money, they were unable to repay back their loans again. Why? Because they will be pushed into debits. Here, their crop will be failed because of the season. Maybe flood or maybe drought, maybe crop failure, overusage of the fertilizers and as well as the pesticides. The crops may be failed. then how can they repay their loans back? They want that money for high rate of interest. While they are going to repay back that amount, they were unable to repay back that interest to the money lenders. Instead of repaying back that loan that was bought by the money lenders, they were tempted for suicides. Here, it's our responsibility to use our earth for our convenience purpose only. We should protect our earth. We should protect our environment. How can we protect our soil? To protect our soil, we have to plant more and more trees. What happens? While we are planting more and more trees, what happens? Here the rains will come in time. The tanks will be filled up in time. And there was no crop failure. And while we are planting the trees, there was no crop failure. And as well as the water levels will not be go drastically deeper into deeper. No need to dig deeper and deeper tube wells, and as well as the expenditure for digging the deeper and deeper tube wells will be decreases to the small farmers. And instead of digging these deeper and deeper tube wells, the farmers were choose the alternative source. Instead of these tube wells, they were depending upon the canal water that was supplied by the tanks. How can we get the canal water? We can get the canal water by planting more and more trees, and by protecting our soil from erosion. By protecting our soil from erosion, here by planting the trees, the rains will come in time. In our area, the tanks will be filled up. While our tanks will be filled up in time, from the tanks, the water will be come through our canals to our fields. And our fields may be irrigated. So, who feels happy here? All the farmers, those who depending upon our earth, they feel happy and they will get success by the products. So, here we have to protect our earth. This is our duty. If not, what happens? Already whatever our environmentalists are arguing, nothing will be left for our future generations. We are unable to give anything to our future generations. So, why should we bring that kind of situations? Instead of getting that kind of situations, we have to protect our land. So, reduce digging deeper and deeper tube wells and plant more and more trees. So, if we plant more and more trees, our earth will be protected from erosion. Okay, so my dear children, let us listen and read what is rotation and what is revolution. Write the internal structure of the earth. Write the internal structure of the earth. Who introduced sun-centered theory? who introduced sun-centered theory. So read these questions, and in our next coming class we discuss about internal structure and as well as how our earth will be and how can we protect our earth from exploitation, and as well as the how is the evolution of the earth, and how is the movement of our earth and crust. We discuss later classes.